guys, welcome back to Delicious. Today I want to show you that you can use sourdough actually for your skin. I can't bake all the time a sourdough. I mean, you should eat this. Can't just bake brownies all the time and waffles and pancakes and for God's sakes, okay? So just figure it out. It actually works wonders on the skin, especially when you have like a kind of a dry skin. I'm here in Joburg. We are like 1,800 meters above sea level, and during winter we had like no rain for around 6 months, and like the skin dries out. So sourdough is actually quite cool. Really good for your skin. You can put it all over your face, all over your skin, and it smells a bit funny. If you don't mind, it's great. Cool thing is, it costs literally nothing. If you have it, I mean, you use it in any case, or you throw it out. My heart's beating all the time if I have to throw it out. And if I don't have any time to bake, or I don't want, or everything is there, and the best part, just needs to dry, and then you wash it off. I promise you, the skin's like amazingly soft afterwards. That's it. 5 minutes, and it's actually done. Give it a try. I don't have time now to put everything on my skin now. Just gonna use it on my face, and I'm usually doing it, you know, when you take the sourdough out or whatever, clean your glass. Just maybe like kitchen paper. Take I can use the fingers, but I just don't like to put germs in the glass which don't supposed to go, and just literally just smear it into your face. Now you can use your fingers. It really stinks, hey? So they are like stinks, doesn't matter. So really doesn't matter how it looks like. There are worse things, charcoal masks or whatever. So that's it. Let it dry. Goes really quick. Then you just wash it off with cold or warm water or whatever. That's it. Don't need anything else. Do it 2 to 3 times a week, but you can feel it now already. And you just wash it off. Face glowing, hydrated, radiant, everything. It's great. Have you ever considered? For you guys there in Europe, Tatiana, London, try it. Really good. Really good. At least when you sit at home, you can look good, right? Give it a try. By the way, I had like a little bit of eczema here in South Africa. I don't know where that came from. I never suffered from dry skin. Never. Here, geez, try. It never came back. Never. It costs nothing. Okay, but the only thing what you need, sourdough. Time to get some flour and water. That's it. No need to pay hundreds of dollars for creams. You can still go to the spa. We need to support local business, right? This works. Excellent. Give it a try. I need to let it dry now. Still needs a while. So you wait basically till you look like a grandma. So you wait till it's like winky. Then you wash it off. Okay. It starts to really get dry. I'm gonna wash it off now. It's like 5 minutes, and I prefer cold water because then it gets like a fresh kick. And with it just, you know, you wash it off and then you get like almost like so foot is dry. dry. So you get like almost like a peeling as well. Oh. Takes also like all the shit out. You know what? There is no harm. You have the milk acid bacteria in your sourdough. There is nothing wrong to put that in your face or on your skin or wherever you want to have it. It's really, you're gonna see it, you're gonna feel it, you're gonna see it immediately. Get this off. I feel like, and I look like a grandma there. It does feel amazing, really, really, really. And I have never, me personally, and I hate creams and all this shit. But then again, I do that. But I have never personally achieved this. Oh, even my daughter says when she, oh, mommy, that's so soft. I've never personally achieved that so quick and so cheap. So, oh, I'm sure that also works great when you get sunburned, but there I would wait till it's like dry, because then you have to scratch it off, and this is done if your skin is irritated. Probably not nice, but then make it thicker and just then wipe it off gently while it's still wet. I'm sure it's gonna help your skin as well. It's really, really nice. Sorry, you can't touch. Just try that. So that's it. Give it a try. Really nice. For all the sourdoughs guys out there. That's it from my side for today. No baking. Now it's not entirely true. I have here still another charcoal bread to do. So now my hand's gonna get dirty, but my face is nice. Okay guys, see you next time. Love you.